It's gonna be so good today. Dude, look at this shit, bro.
Dude,
that's
oh my god.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Dude. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, bro.
That's my fucking gap.
It's not bad.
It's kind of fucking, it feels gnarly.
It's not that bad. Oh yeah. Oh. Dude, sick. Oh, fire. Yeah, buddy. Whoa! Holy! Dude, it's so, dude, I almost died right there. Let's go, Kaden! Ah! Bro! Bro, that was sick though, dude. Let's go. Oh! Bro, that shit was so gas. You guys are getting busy now. Yeah, dude. Sick. Oh, bro, brother. Okay, you're good now. Hit it. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Woo! I gotta put so much weight on the back leg. Oh. Oh, yeah. Dude, oh no. Are you good? You're good? Oh. Whoa. My goodness. Oh my god. Oh. Holy. Bro, it's gonna be good. So good. It's gonna be so good. So we'll cut into the trees on the left. I wonder how good this run out is. We're about to find out. Yeah! Oh! So we'll keep going down and it gets even better. Ooh. Holy shit, it's gonna be good. Yeah, look at this shit, dude. Look at this thing. Oh. Yeah, that's a good fucking jump if you want to hit it. Dude, let's go! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yeah, Caden. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Look at this!
Go, but I'm gonna keep looking down there because there's tracks. Like I feel like you can.
Yeah, we could. If you can, that'd be sick. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Yo, is this a jump? Here, I'll go over it to see how it is. Stay up here. Yeah, no, don't, no. It goes into a ravine. Oh my goodness. And we meet again.
Fun, dude.
Oh yeah, dude, it's black.
So good. You're good, dude.
Oh, sweet. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think that one was the worst one yet.
Nah, it's been worse.
Really?
Yeah.
Today?
It's like the first day on Earth. So.
Oh. First day on Earth.
What? Is that what he said, bro?
Yeah. Hold on. I'm hitting it. I'm hitting it. Whoa. Oh shit, I'm so sorry, dude. Alright, like I hit the jump, the side hit on the side, and I landed, and this dude was like carving and carved into me, and I don't know how he didn't die. Oh. Oh yeah, hit it! Oh, yeah, dude! Oh! We'll get back on the groomed run over here.
I'll just meet you.
You don't want to come down here?
Yes.
Hey, come on. Whoa! Oh shit! Woo! Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Watch out, dirt! Oh, that looked like a hard impact.
It was hard. I tried to clear the gap, but.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
So smooth.
I landed flat, dude. It's such a hard impact. Dude, I saw that. Bro. That was a fun run. That was really flowy. That was good. Yeah, sick. Yeah, Kaden, dude, sick. Yeah! Dude, sick. Whoa. Oh, way too sketchy. Ooh, ooh. You good? You alright? It's not bad. It wouldn't be terrible.
Holy shit.
That's where we triggered the avalanche, 2 of them.
That's fucking insane.
Yeah, dude, let's go. It's pretty soft still. Try it. Oh! Definitely not soft. It's pretty big. Oh, shit. Yeah, dude, nice. There's one right here too. Oh.